Now we have to learn about the area of parallelogram as well as area of the triangles. We know that area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Here AB is the base and DE is the height of the parallelogram. We know that the sides, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Means if AB is 5 cm, then BC is also 5 cm. And through the vertex D, the perpendicular is drawn on AB, and the line or the line segment which intersects the opposite side in a 90 degree is called the base, and the line segment which intersects the base perpendicularly or in a 90 degree, it is called as the height. So here D is the height and AB is the base. Similarly, same parallelogram I have drawn here, that is ABCD, and now from the vertex D I have drawn the perpendicular. For example, BE is there, so BE, the perpendicular, is called as the height, and the perpendicular or the line segment drawn from the vertex which intersects in a 90 degree to the opposite side, that opposite side is known as the base. So here BE is the base and AD is the BE is the height and AD is the base. So here to find the area of parallelogram, we have to multiply base and height. Now we will see one example here, that is find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram. Here PQRS is a parallelogram, and it is seen that from the vertex Q, there is a perpendicular drawn QT, and it intersects the opposite side SR. So SR is the base and QT is the height. But here only PQ, length of PQ is given. But just now I have told you that the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Means if PQ is 8 cm, then its opposite side SR is also 8 cm, and therefore the base SR is 8 cm. And the perpendicular, that is the height of the parallelogram, is a 3.5 cm. So here I have given, we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and therefore PQ is equal to SR is equal to 8 cm. Means if PQ is 8, then SR is also 8 cm. So base is equal to 8 cm. We got the base here. Now height of PQ, because the line segment drawn from the vertex Q intersect the opposite side SR in a 90 degree. So QT is the height or PQ is the height, that is 3.5 cm. Now substituting these values in the formula of the area, means the area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Here base is SR and height is QT or TQ. So 8 cm into 3.5 cm, we will get 28 cm square. Means the area of the parallelogram is 28 cm square. In this way, we will see one more example. Here in a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 7.2 cm, and the perpendicular from C on AB is 4.5 cm. Means here which is base and which is height is not given. So here we have to think about the question carefully, that in a parallelogram ABCD I have drawn, according to given information, I have drawn the figure of parallelogram ABCD. This is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Here AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Means AB is 7.2 centimeter, and the perpendicular from C, here vertex C, and from C I have drawn the vertex perpendicular, for example it is CD, and it is perpendicular, so CD is the height, which is 4.5 centimeter. So CD is the height, and the perpendicular, the line, the opposite side to which perpendicular intersect is the base, and therefore AB is the base and CD is the height. So here I have given in a parallelogram ABCD, base AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter and height CD that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And now we will find the area of the parallelogram. That area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to base into height. Here base is 7.2 centimeter and height is 4.5 centimeter. So it will be 32.40 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So in this way, though the height or base is not given clearly in the example, we have drawn the figure and then we have find which is base and which is height, and then substituting these values of base and height, we have find the area of the parallelogram. Now our next point is that area of a triangle. Means area of a triangle here is 1/2 base into height. We know the formula. 1/2 base into height, but here base again is the same, and the height means the line segment which intersects, which is drawn from the vertex to the base is BC. So here AD is the height and BC is the base. So here base is BC and AD is height. Here area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 base into height, that is equal to 1/2 BC into AD. Here there is one more point to remember, that all the congruent triangles are equal in area. Means we must remember that all the congruent triangles have equal area, but the triangles which are equal in area need not be congruent. They should not be. It is not necessary that they should be congruent. So this point is very important. And now we will solve some examples. Here it is given that find the area of the following triangles. Find the area of the following triangles. Here two triangles I have drawn. In the first figure, triangle PQR is drawn, and from the vertex PS I have drawn the perpendicular PS which intersects the side QR, and therefore this perpendicular is height of the triangle, and the perpendicular, the side to which perpendicular intersects in 90 degree is the base. So QR is the base of the triangle, and therefore the answer of the first question is that in a triangle PQR, base QR is 4 centimeter and height is PS. Height is PS, which is 2 centimeter. And now I have substituted these values in the formula of the area of the triangle, that is area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base into height, that is equal to 1/2 into, here I can write here base, that is base is QR into height is PS, or it can be written as 1/2 into QR is 4 centimeter into PS is base, height is 2 centimeter. Here 2 will get cancelled, and then we will get 4 centimeter into centimeter means centimeter square. So it will be 4 centimeter square, which is the area of triangle PQR. Again, in the second figure, it is given that triangle LMN, in a triangle LMN, MN is the base, which is 3 centimeter long. But in this figure, the base NN is produced. It is produced, means increased. Produce means increase. NN is produced. To O, up to O I have produced NM segment on side, and from the vertex L I have drawn the perpendicular LO. This is the perpendicular. So LO intersect NO in a 90 degree, and therefore LO is the height, which is 2 centimeter. So LO is the height of the triangle. But mind you that the base is not ON, only MN is the base. Understand? Because ON is produced. So here don't consider that ON is the base. We must take base as MN, which is 3 centimeter, and height as OL or LO, which is 2 centimeter. So here in a triangle LMN, base MN is equal to 3 centimeter, height LO is equal to 2 centimeter, and now we will substitute these values in the formula, that is area of triangle LMN is equal to 1/2 base into height, that is equal to, I will write here, that is equal to 1/2 into base is MN, and into height is LO, and that is equal to 1/2 into MN is 3, here MN is given 3, into LO is 2, again 2 will get cancelled, and our answer, that is the area of triangle LMN is equal to 3 centimeter square. So in this way we have find the area of both these triangles. Now we have one more question. Here in a triangle PQR, PR is equal to 8 centimeter. Here PR is given 8 centimeter total length of the triangle, that is here PR. Then QR is equal to 4 centimeter. Here QR is given 4 centimeter. Find first question is that area of triangle PQR, and second question is that QM. Second question here is QM. Now here first of all we will consider the figure here, that is PQR is a triangle in which PR is given 8 centimeter. Here it is given 8 centimeter. Then QR is given 4 centimeter. Here RQ is produced to L, up to L, and from the vertex P, the PL I have drawn the perpendicular here, which is 5 centimeter. So here PL is the perpendicular, is right angle, and therefore PL is the height of the triangle, which is 5 centimeter, and QR is the base. Means same situation we have seen in the above example. So here in a triangle PQR, base QR is equal to 4 centimeter, height PL is equal to 5 centimeter, and therefore area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height, that is equal to 1/2 into, now base is 4 centimeter into height is 5 centimeter. Here 4 can be divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are, so 2 into 5, that is equal to 10 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Now we have to find the length of QM. Here QM is again the height, because QM is the perpendicular which is drawn on the side PR. So here PR is taken as the base and QM is taken as the height. So here in a triangle PQR, base PR is equal to 8 centimeter. Here PR is the 8 centimeter and height QM we don't know. Now area of triangle we have find just now, that is 10 centimeter square, and now substituting this value, that is 1/2 into base into height, that is equal to area of triangle PQR. So here 1/2 into PR, because here PR is the base, into height is QM, that is equal to area of triangle PQR. 1/2 into base is not here, PR is given 8 centimeter into QM we don't know, so write QM as it is equal to 10. Now dividing 8 by 2 we will get here 4. Here 4 is multiplying to QM, it will divide on the another side, so QM is equal to 10 upon 4. Here you can reduce 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are, so here QM is equal to 5 upon 2, means half of the 5 is 2.5 centimeter. In this way area means length of the QM is 2.5 centimeter. So in this way we have seen some various types of questions which are related to the area of parallelogram as well as area of triangles.